Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Surakarta. I'm from 5th grade of Takmirul Islam Elementary School, Surakarta.
And my name is Margarine. I'm from 5th grade of Takmirul Islam Elementary School, Surakarta. We're going to make an easy pancakes.
So, here are the ingredients.
Flour, milk, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, melted margarine, and honey.
Now, let's start cooking.
First, add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add 16 tablespoons of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, blend it all together and make a well in the center. Next, pour a cup of milk, eggs, and melted margarine. And mix the batter until it's smooth. Then, heat a frying pan. Pour the batter on it. Cook until the pancakes brown on both sides. Alhamdulillah, finally pancakes are ready to serve. Yummy. Wassalamualaikum. Bye.